I just received my bicycle. I'm in my bathtub. These videos are getting better. One from my male subscribers, all two of them. So I'm supposed to be in this musician meeting today, and instead I went to the bicycle repair shop, which took about 3 hours and a half with my cycling prowess. Just adding some lavender bath oil. And then, you know, it was really quite late. It was 9 by the time I got home. And it was really cold because I was not appropriately dressed for after sunset. I was in shorts, which was very nice, but it just wasn't enough for the cold and the breeze. And so I was starving, so I decided to eat. And basically I didn't go anywhere, I stayed home, and now I'm taking a bath, so. And also I need to wash my hair. Oh my god, do you know what? I burned myself. I burned myself really badly. That's bad. I had to check in person. In the camera, it looks even worse. In person, it doesn't look so bad, but in the camera, it looks horrific. Also, do you wanna see something disgusting? I have a huge thing inside my lip. Like, huge. It's gonna pop soon. Oh, I bit it the other day and then this happened. Oh man, I can't even eat or talk. Do you know what I don't like about my lip line? It's just so, the color is like everywhere. Like the lip line is fine, but it's like red everywhere over the top. That's why I like wearing lipstick and lip liner, because I just feel like I like my natural lip line, but it's just the color is over it. This is my natural coloring right here. I'm not wearing makeup, and it's just blotchy. Oh man, I can't stop touching it. I'm gonna stop. I've gone from wearing a scarf in London because it was really cold to wearing a scarf here because I'm getting burnt. Hi. So I came to Decathlon, which is huge. It's behind me. And I had a lot of fun because, you know, you come to these places and you can't get out. I'll show you what I've got. Basically just a few things that I needed for sport-related activities. I'm wearing my long skirt, which is why I couldn't bike here, because I really wanted to wear the skirt. And also I needed a break from cycling. So I got, first and foremost, most importantly, a helmet. I got these leggings, which are actually very interesting because they're like denim, and I've been wanting to get one of these leggings that look like denim for a while, but they're like proper leggings for yoga. So super, super stretchy and soft. Not like jeggings. Different thing. And then a yoga strap. This one looked really nice, organic cotton. And then I got on a couple of really nice flip-flops because they have this cotton part, and they are a nice brown shade, so they're flip-flops, but they look like better sandals. So that's gonna be really cool with like dresses, just to wear in sports-like conditions. day is beautiful. It's the hottest day so far. By the way, this is my favorite lipstick of the moment. It's the Brigitte by NARS. And it looks like so. It's just beautiful. This is me finished, so I ended up putting a little bit more bronzer, and the lips are Angelo by Stila. And I love this lipstick, it's amazing. And the hair has, you know, relaxed, and it will get messier, so it will be cool.
And energy from the whole universe. So many amazing things. And bringing.
Let's become so bubbles that never burst. Let's be here. Let's be here. Let's go from here.
Check me out, it's me as a driver. This is the car where I do the driving test. Oh gosh, this girl was really tall, the girl before me. I need to go all the way up and all the way in because I'm a mini person. And then I have to change all of the mirrors. Yeah, so I was telling you that my eating situation is not good. To be honest, I've always suffered with eating disorders. I didn't eat when I was younger, which led me to suddenly having to I got really nervous when I wouldn't eat because it was a bad thing, because I just wouldn't eat. So then throughout my 20s, I just started eating as much as I could. Literally, I would just eat fattening, all of the fattening stuff that I could think of, I would just eat it. So I got used to eating all this crap. And a lot of times a day, like there was never a time I never rejected food because I was trying to eat. And for some reason, I never gained weight. And then suddenly, you know, mid-20s, you get used to all this lifestyle. And then I just went through so many issues because I had been eating so much crap. And now I'm at a point where I'm okay, but I'm just daily battling with, I either don't want to eat, or most regularly, I just have such a strong anxiety when I'm not eating because I'm used to having to force myself to eat. So if I don't eat constantly, I just get this feeling of dread. I mean, it's actual, I feel like I'm gonna die. I know it's so stupid, but when I don't eat a lot, I feel like I'm gonna die. And it's just really hard to get over. I guess it will go on forever. I guess these habits that you have when you're younger, because it's not going anywhere. And I don't know what I can do about it. Drinking really helps, but you know, one addiction for another is not necessarily a good thing. This stuff is such an addiction. I know I shouldn't be drinking this, but you know what? I've been comparing the ingredients very carefully at the supermarket of all these things because there's just nothing like this in Ibiza. I'm going crazy. I don't know where I have to go to get like a regular iced coffee that tastes good. And this one seemed fine, you know, it has semi-skimmed milk. What does it have? Let's see. Okay, it's in Spanish. I have to translate for you. Yeah, so it has basically all the bad stuff, but not, it could be worse. Oh yeah, I just had one of these instead of breakfast because I'm just trying not to eat all the time because it's full of temptations here. I really like those cornetto croissants that they have. Let me turn around. I really like those cornetto croissants, which is basically an Italian croissant stroke brioche that they have at this breakfast place. But I'm trying not to eat that every day. I'm trying to kind of I'm really bad limiting myself. It's like I'd rather not do it than have to limit myself and say I'm only gonna do it 1 day a week. It's just, who can do that? It's pointless. It's like if I have to do it 1 day a week, I might as well just not do it. Because then I get the craving and the sugar addiction comes on again. But anyway, I might try it 1 day every 3 days and see how that. Do you love my makeup? I want to do a video. I want to do a video about it. It's Surrat's product, so I'm gonna link the video that I've just going to do down below, and you can check it out. Adulthood is when you have a day off and you spend it cleaning and working because you finally have some time to be able to clean and work. Good thing is that I can do it naked, but look at the sun outside. I have reached my destination and now I'm waiting for some fish and of course a pisco sour. Always a pisco sour. Look who came to see me. I was a bit scared because he came running towards me. I'm in the middle of the road.